All right, guys. So today we are going to do something that's a little bit of unorthodox for me. Usually you see silly stuff like this. And now Frank is going to do a 0 to 60 with the hood open. But today we're actually going to try and do some kind of a repair. For those of you that are new to the channel, this is my Charger RT. It is currently cammed, long tube headers, Genetti tuned, and you know, a few other goodies. I love this thing, but this is the other car that I have, and I absolutely love it. It's more so my daily driver. It's a LS4 5.3 liter V8 Monte Carlo. I believe it's an 06. So while driving on the highway, I got a little bit of a chip. Okay, and so today we're going to see if this windshield repair is going to help out. Now, I'm not much of a you know, instructional kind of a guy. If you are the kind of person that needs you know, step-by-step stuff, go over to Chris Fix. He will talk you through this. I, on the other hand, will just see if someone with my limited capabilities can actually fix a chip like that. So I'm going to keep the camera on the chip, and we're going to slowly see how this product works. If it stinks, then I'll have it professionally done. But you're going to want to get, if you have something like this, you're going to want to get it repaired ASAP. All right, so let's get it going. So let's take a look at what's actually in this kit, what we're going to have to do. We're gonna have to read these directions. All right, that's the extent of what it comes with. It's about that time for me to read the directions, make sure that I know what the hell I'm doing. Verification that I am, in fact, reading the directions. Now you're gonna want your alcohol swab here. It's in there. All right, so basically this stuff is just being squeezed in here. It looks like it's pretty full. It says to just squeeze in there, yeah. So it should be in here doing its magic. So I would say that the overall product worked really well. You do not see really anything. I mean, there's a tiny little area here, but overall, not bad. Not bad at all, actually. Can't even tell that it was chipped, cracked, whatever. Impressed, very impressed.